Earn $1,400 per day from Google News. When most people think of making money online, they envision selling products, building a business from scratch, or mastering complicated digital marketing strategies. But what if you could make money without all that? What if you could simply leverage existing platforms, repurpose content, and get paid for your words? That's the beauty of this method. It requires no special skills, no need to build an audience, and you don't have to be a seasoned entrepreneur. You might be thinking, is it really possible to make $1,400 a day without any prior experience? Well, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is. This system is based on simplicity, finding existing articles, rewrite them, and submit them to various high-paying platforms that pay for content. The process works because there's a constant demand for fresh, high-quality content on the internet. Businesses, blogs, and news outlets are always on the lookout for new material to engage the readers, and you can provide that content starting today. The best part is that it does not require any complex technology, advanced skill, or experience. If you can copy, paste, and rewrite articles, then you have all of the tools you need. It's a straightforward process with high earning potential, especially if you are willing to scale it up over time. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true, but I assure you it works. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to get started and how you can earn up to $1,400 in a single day. Keep reading and let's break this down step by step. Choose your niche. The first step to make money with this method is to find the high content to repurpose. And the best place to look is Google News. Google News is more than just a place for breaking news headlines. It's an aggregation tool that pull an article from reputable publication across every niche imaginable. Whether you are interested in health, technology, business, or entertainment, you can find high quality content that is ripe for rewriting. One of the first things you need to do is pick a niche. You want to focus on content that is both relevant and evergreen. Evergreen content is material that remain valuable over time. This could be topics like health, tips, finance advice, investment strategies, or career development. Those types of topics are always in demand and will continue to attract readers months or even years after they are published. To get started, head over to Google News, open up news.google.com, and take a look at the current trending stories. Pick a category depending on your interest. Explore categories like health, science, technology, business, and entertainment. If you are unsure about what to focus on, think about what excites you or what you are always been curious about. This will make it easy to write and rewrite the content effectively. For example, under the health section, you might find articles on topics like how to boost your immune system naturally or the best exercises for mental health. Those are topics that people are always searching for, and they are ripe for a fresh perspective or rewrite. Creating the article. Once you have found an article that's relevant to your niche, it's time to rewrite it in a way that makes it unique. This is where the real magic happens. You are going to be use a tool called Spinboard to help you reword the article so that it's both fresh and original. Step 1. Just copy the text. Select the entire text of the article you want to rewrite. Make sure you pick an article that is long enough. Aim for at least 500 to 1000 words so you have enough content to work with. Step 2. Spin the content. Now, it's time to use Spinboard. Spinboard is a free online tool that rephrases sentences and changes word choice while maintaining the original meaning of the article. It's an excellent starting point, but is not perfect. Some sentences may end up a bit awkward or unclear, so don't rely on it completely. Here how to use it. Go to Spinboard, paste the text from the article into the input box, click Spin it. Spinboard will generate a new version of the article with rewriting sentences and new word choices. The result will be a version that's distinct from the original, but still contains the same key idea and information. Step 3. Edit for quality and readability. After you have spun the article, it's time to edit for readability. Spinboard does not always produce smooth, polished content, so you will need to go through the rewriting text and make sure it flows naturally. Use editing tools like Grammarly to check for grammatical errors and clarity. Read through the article yourself to make sure it's clear, concise, and engaged. Consider adding personal insight or additional information to improve the value of the content. For example, you could add your own tips or suggestions based on your personal experience or research. The goal is to take the spun article and make it shine. Websites that pay for articles. Now come the exciting part, submitting your rewriting content to websites that pay for articles. Those platforms are always looking for new material and they are willing to pay well for it. Here are some of the best websites where you can submit your article and get paid. Number 1, eatingwell.com. Focus health, wellness, and nutrition. Pay $1 per word. Average payout $500 to $1,000 per article. Eating Well is an excellent platform for anyone writing in the health nutrition niche. They are looking for particularly evidence-based advice that help readers lead healthy lives. If you are writing an article about a topic like how to build a healthy morning routine, Eating Well might be the perfect fit for you. How to submit? Go to the Contact Us page and email your article. Include a brief page explaining why your article fit the audience and how it can add value to the website. Number 2, sierraclub.org. Focus environmental topics, sustainability, and nature. Pay $500 to $1,000 per article. Sierra Club is ideal for articles focused on sustainability, conversion, and green living. They love content that raises awareness about environmental issues and offer actionable solutions. If your article explores topics like reducing waste, renewable energy, or eco-friendly innovation, Sierra Club is a great place to submit it. How to submit? You can submit your article via the submission form or email it directly to the editorial team. Make sure your article aligns with the mission to promote environmental conservation and sustainability. Number 3, daily.jsstore.org. Focus academic style articles, research, and science. Pay 30 cents per word. Average payout $300 to $500 per article. JS Store blog is perfect for writers who enjoy crafting research-based articles. The key here is to combine storytelling with solid research. Your articles should be backed by credible sources and dive deep into complex issues. Topics could range from the history of a particular scientist discovery to current development and the text world. How to submit? You can submit directly to the editorial teams via email, including links to any research or data you have referenced in your article. They appreciate through well-sourced content. Maximizing your earning potential. The more articles you submit, the more you stand to earn. But if you want to earn $1,000 or more per day, you need to scale up your effort. Here's how. Number 1, outsource writing. If you don't have the time or inclination to write every article yourself, consider outsourcing the writing. You can hire a freelance writer for as little as $10 to $15 per article on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. After getting the article written, you can submit it to high-paying platform and keep the difference. Number 2, submit to multiple platforms. The more platforms you submit to, the more likely you are to get paid. Don't limit yourself to just one website. Spread your submission across several high-paying outlets. Keep a list of potential sites and regularly submit your article to new ones. Number 3, repurpose and rework content. Even if your article gets rejected by one platform, don't discard it. You can tweak and repurpose it for other websites. For example, if you wrote an article on the health benefit of yoga, you could adjust it for different platforms, each with a slightly different angle, fitness, mental health, etc. Number 4, increase your output. Aim to submit at least 5 articles per week. The more content you produce and submit, the higher your chance of making money. As you get more comfortable with the process, you will be able to write faster and more efficiently. Overcome challenges. No method is without challenges, and this approach is no exception. Here are a few obstacles you might face and how to overcome them. Number 1, rejection. Rejection are part of the process. If a website declines your article, don't take it personally. Use any feedback provided to improve your writing. You can always tweak the article and try submitting it as well. Number 2, time management. Writing and submitting articles take time. To manage your time efficiently, set aside specific hours each day to work on content creation. Even dedicating an hour a day can lead to significant progress over time. Number 3, stay organized. With multiple submissions going out at once, it's easy to lose track. Create a spreadsheet to track the website you have submitted to, the date you submitted your article, and the status, accepted, rejected, or pending. Why this method works? This system works because it taps into the ongoing demand for content. Website businesses and bloggers need fresh material every day, and they are willing to pay for it. By repurposing existing articles and adding your own spin, you are providing value to those platforms without having to create new ideas from scratch. Additionally, the internet has a global reach, meaning that there are always new opportunities for writers. Whether you are focusing on niche industries like health, tech, or business, there is a large audience ready to consume your content. Conclusion: follow those steps to start making money today. Pick your niche and focus on evergreen topic. Find articles on Google News and choose high quality content that fit your niche. Rewrite the article using Spinboard and edit for readability. Submit to a high-paying platform that fit your article. Repeat the process consistently. The first step is always the hardest, but once you take action, the rest will follow. Start small, and as you gain experience, you will be able to refine your approach and increase your earnings. With the right strategy and consistency, you could be earning hundreds, even thousands per day just by rewriting articles, submitting them to websites that pay. So take the plunge today and start building your new online income stream. Now, if you like to learn how I earn so much money without using my college degree, make sure to click this one. Replace your job income doing those side hustle, no college degree. If you really enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, bye.